Vissani Portable Air Conditioners feature an internal water tank that collects condensed water during operation. When this tank becomes full, a water full indicator light will alert you that manual drainage is required. The first and most critical step is ensuring your safety. Always disconnect the power to your Vissani air conditioner before beginning the drainage process. Unplug the unit from the electrical outlet and verify it is completely powered off. Next, prepare your drainage container. You will need a shallow pan with a minimum capacity of 1 quart. Position this container directly beneath the lower drain plug, which is located at the rear of the unit as shown in the image. Now remove the cap and rubber plug from the lower drain port. This will allow the collected water to flow out completely. Watch as the internal water tank empties during this process. Once drainage is complete, securely reinsert the rubber plug and tighten the cap. This step is crucial to prevent water leakage during future operation. Ensure the seal is tight and properly secured. Finally, reconnect the power by plugging the unit back into the electrical outlet. Your Vissani portable air conditioner is now ready for continued operation. Regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance. Empty the tank regularly to prevent leaks, clean the coils periodically for efficient cooling, monitor the water full indicator light, and always check the drain plug seal after each drainage procedure. Continuous drainage with a hose setup is the preferred method for extended dehumidifying operations, especially when using your Vissani portable air conditioner in dry mode for long periods. Step 1 is crucial for safety. Always disconnect the unit from power before beginning any maintenance or hose installation. This prevents electrical hazards and protects both you and the equipment. Step 2 involves locating the upper drain port on the back of your Vissani unit. Most models have 2 drain ports, an upper port for continuous drainage and a lower port for manual drainage. Some models may have only 1 port that serves both purposes. Step 3 requires attaching a standard garden hose to the upper drain port. Use a hose with a 5/8 inch inner diameter for the best fit. Ensure the connection is secure to prevent water leaks during operation. Step 4 is critical for proper operation. The hose must be positioned so that its end is lower than the air conditioning unit. This allows gravity to pull the condensed water down through the hose to your chosen drainage location, such as a floor drain or sink. Finally, reconnect the power cord and test your drainage setup. Regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance. Clean the air filters every 2 weeks, ensure the exhaust hose remains unblocked, and maintain a tight seal with your window kit to prevent hot air infiltration. Continuous drainage eliminates the need for manual emptying and prevents overflow issues during extended operation.